Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to browse internet on PS5. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To browse the internet on your PS5, follow these steps. First things first, navigate to the settings on your home screen. Go to the system. Then choose web browser. Make sure to toggle on allow cookies. Then enable JavaScript and prevent cross-site tracking. Now, let's go to the accessibility. Choose display and sound. Choose zoom and make sure it is enabled. Then click on the PS5 button. Then go to the game base section. Then choose friends and choose a friend. Now go to the send message section and send the link www.google.ca. Click on the link to be redirected to Google search. And that's how you can browse the internet on your PS5. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.